And so, we put together a list of the top 5 greatest emergency landings ever performed. At number 5, this pilot does a picture-perfect emergency landing after his wheels failed to deploy. The plane sustained minimal damage as a result, and flight instructors now use this video to teach their students.
Very smart move. Okay, now hold it, get it as slow as you can. Slow it down, nice and slow, right down the center line. This is picture perfect. Picture perfect.
That is beautiful.
Beautiful job. Beautiful job.
Wow, that's incredible piloting.
That's a hull damage. I bet those engines are not adversely hit. Here they go. Now I'm going to guess with that flight bag there. There's your hero.
Really
right
ready
there.
to get away from this plane, huh?
That's your hero.
Number 4. As a flight instructor, Kyle Davis teaches his students how to perform emergency landings. But on this day, it was Davis who got put to the test after his aircraft suffered an engine failure. Davis could not make it back to the airport in time, and so he improvised. Number 3. A Makina K aircraft attempts a water landing off the coast of Hawaii after its engine stopped working. Ferdinand Puentes was a passenger on board the aircraft and documented the landing with his GoPro.
Into the ocean. Survivors going for the exits.
Sadly, one passenger died in the crash, but given the circumstances, it's a miracle that anybody survived. Number 2. In 1989, United Airlines Flight 232 sustained a complete hydraulics failure. A plane's hydraulic system is essentially the lifeblood of an aircraft, and without hydraulics you can't steer or even change altitude. But despite this, the pilots miraculously managed to crash land the plane at an airport in Iowa. 184 passengers survived the crash landing. Sadly, 112 people died. Despite the loss of life, the pilot's actions have been hailed as an impossible feat of flying. An emergency landing was previously thought to be impossible with no hydraulic control.